Hello, I'm John Hebert, and today I'm going to show you how to install a stealth module on a 2011 through 19 Powerstroke. This is a 2017 F250. Alright, towards the rear of your engine on top is this plug here. Right here is a button that you can press to release the connector. Once that's released, locate these two connectors on your wiring harness. We're going to plug the short wide one in where we just unplugged the other one from. Alright, give that a little tug to make sure it won't come out. Get the female connector that we just unplugged and plug this in and give it a little push to make sure it won't come out. Alright, so now those two are done. The last plug we have to locate is down inside this hole. So that is the plug right there. And you access it through here. Okay, the final plug has these two connectors on it. So you can practice disconnecting it, because once you reach down there you can't actually see it, but this is what it looks like that you're trying to unplug. So you can go ahead, connect it, flip it upside down, and get a feel for, okay, when I grab it, this is what it's going to feel like. You need to depress this tab here, but when you depress it, you need to push in. That'll release it. Then you can pull out. If you don't push in first, you can sit there and pull on it all you want, and there's going to be pressure on the tab and it won't come out. So just like that. Now get your other two wires. The one you just unplugged, I'm going to do that one first. Make sure you have the clip facing down. Alright, so once you feel that click, give it a little tug to make sure it won't come out. So locate the plug that you disconnected and the other end of your wiring harness. The short tab is the top, the long tab is the bottom. This is the top side with the release tab. So if you brace the Trucks clip up against the alternator, you can then push the last wiring harness plug into place. Give it a little push with your thumb or a little tug to make sure it won't come unplugged, and that's good. All right, the next step is to plug your stealth module in. So the connector, one line is the top, two lines is the bottom. So go ahead and plug this in, make sure it's got a secure connection, won't come apart when pulled on. Grab this coming out of the wiring harness and your selector switch harness. Plug these together. Once again, tug, make sure it won't come apart. And now your selector switch, you can run this up into the cab through the firewall if you want, or you can just put it on whatever setting you wish and tuck it away inside the hood. And now you just have to secure these, a couple of cable ties, and stick them wherever you want, whether it's some place that's not incredibly hot, like next to the engine, or near moving parts like the fan, and you'll be fine.